Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are currently on the 90 going up this hill, this mountain. Got the 4-ways on. We are going eastbound on it. We are 27 miles into Idaho, and it is absolutely beautiful up here. I was on the phone, so I couldn't show you the big lake that was behind us. That was absolutely beautiful. I would have loved to have been able to show you that, but there's always the next time. We're just slowly climbing up this hill, this mountain. And I'm also maxed out in weight too. I'm total gross, I'm 79,760 pounds. Truck, trailer, and load. I got about, I'm gonna say, with the amount of apples, I'm gonna say I got probably 43,000 pounds of apples. Give or take. It's a lot of apples. A lot of applesauce. A lot of apple pie. A lot of anything that is made out of apple. Or just a lot of apple. I would love to pass this trailer, but so many people passing by really quickly that it's just not going to happen. Oh man, really? Come on, don't do that. This pickup truck is struggling to get up this hill. We are currently, as you can probably see it, going very slow up this thing. Now, it's 6% grade, 2,000 feet downhill. Coming up right where this overpass is. And I got bottles of pop, bottles of water, bottles of everything up back there that is popping from the pressure. And you know what? We'll pull off in here just because we can start off with a full solid stop before we go down, because we are maxed out in weight. So if we can have a little bit right here, just enough, even if we just stop here for a second. Some places are like this, so you have to stop before you go down the hill. It's by law, you must stop. You must get out and check your brakes before you go down the mountain. That's a lot of that. There's a lot of that in BC and things like that. There's a lot of that. The Coca-Holic hill is the same thing. You know, that TV show, Highway Through Hell? That's a Coca-Cola. That's a Coca-Holic highway, and it's very steep. And if you've seen the show, then you know what kind of roads that you're dealing with. And this guy, I don't know what this guy's doing. I think I might have to get out and help him. I don't know. I'm going to go out and help him. Be right back, guys. He obviously needs something. And that's what we used to do anyways. We used to be able to get out and help people. Let's find out what he needs. I'll be right back. Can't stay. so all that was that he went over the scale. He went over the scale and he forgot to change. He forgot to scale his load. Pardon me, guys. I gotta do something back here before I go. So if I sound like I'm far away, it's because I am far away. But he was trying to slide his wheels on his trailer, which looks like he's still trying to do that. So I don't understand why. And maybe I scared him or something. Who knows? I tried, and I guess it wasn't good enough, so whatever. Let's get down the road. See? Whatever. Okay. My dog's even saying you should have took the help. We're just gonna leave now because he clearly didn't want the help, so down this road. So 6% grade. Have my Jake brake on now. I'm maxed out. We are maxed out weight wise, so really don't want to be burning up brakes out or anything. So I put my 4-ways on so people will know that I'm slow going down this hill, because I really don't want anybody coming up and hit my rear end. That would not be cool. They won't feel a thing, but others will. Wooded area around here. Down a mountain like this, you try to keep it down to a certain speed, so it's not so if something comes, like say something's around this corner and it's like a dead traffic stop, you should be able to stop in time. You also don't want to burn your brakes out too. If you burn your brakes out, 5% grade for next 2 miles. You don't want to burn your brakes out, then you don't have any brakes. Also, you can seriously catch your truck on fire by overheating up them brakes. Now, if you put your Jake brake on, like we are right now, and you go down and you tap your brakes if you need to, like I noticed one thing, this truck has really good Jake brake. I don't know if you guys are able to hear the Jake brake or not, but it's actually a really good Jake brake. I haven't needed to hit my brakes too much, and I am maxed out in weight. I am 79,000 and change. We're only allowed to have 80,000 pounds, and I'm at 79. Sorry, we are at 79. So, you just take your time, you pump your brakes as you're going down. You do not ride your brakes. Do not ride your brakes. Just pump it and off. Push down and then off. And then you wait a little bit, and then you push down and then off again. And you do that all the way down, and you should be fine. But Jake brake is something that is very important, especially with a kind of weight like this, and you're going down the hill. I have seen so many people that's got smoking brakes all the way down to the bottom of the hill, and you don't have to do that. You just have to pay attention. Start off with a good speed going down, like a slow speed going down, like what we did. We stopped actually on top of the hill, and well, then someone was broken down or whatever, needed help, and just an old school like me, I do that. I do that. So, but you know, it's if I needed the help. Then I'd really hope that someone would do the same thing for me. That guy there, he was kind of freaked out with me, and that does happen. It does happen, so happens more times than you think. But you know, I don't let it bother me. I don't let it bother me. I can't. If I let everything bothers me, if I let everything bother me, then I'd be a nervous wreck at this point. We're 34 miles into Idaho. Idaho is a pretty cool state, really beautiful state. Montana is the next state over, and that's a really cool state too. Beautiful state. These places are not the greatest, or not the nicest in the wintertime, but like everything, you drive slow enough, you should be able to get through almost anything. Now, if it's really icy out, that's the difference. Sometimes driving through ice sometimes it's better if you drive through the snow than the ice. I did that one day in Ohio. Can't remember which highway I was on, but it was really bad. I'm pretty sure it was Ohio. It was really, really bad roads. Everything was a sheet of ice. Especially the right lane was just a sheet of ice because trucks over it, pushing down the snow. Sooner or later, that snow packed down so much it turns into ice, right? Not too many people driving in the left lane, so I drove on the left lane. You get surprising. It is driving on snow is slippery. Driving on ice is definitely slippery. Driving on snow, you get a little bit of traction. Driving on ice, you don't get any. So I got on I was in the snow lane and I was just flying by, passing everybody. And everybody didn't understand why. They're like, oh, you're driving crazy, you slow down, and blah, 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 blah. I didn't get stuck not once. I wasn't going crazy either, speed-wise, but I was going faster than everybody else in the other lane. Here I am, yawning again. That truck driving school, they can only teach you so much. So when you get out here and you do it yourself, that's when you actually start to really learn how to drive truck, how to, you know, master your career, master your job. And I've said this before, it's not a career, it's not a job, it's really a lifestyle. But you still have to master your vehicle. You still have to pretty much know what to do, or just automatically do it. Let's say if you're in a skid, you automatically do what you have to do without thinking. Just do it. And that comes with time. That comes with years experience. I swear I forget more things nowadays than some of the people that just got their license even knows. Which, that doesn't say much, because people that just got their license don't know nothing. They don't know nothing. They know enough to drive the truck, and that's it. I can tell you right now, I don't know nearly what my father knows. But I'm also not new at this job either. I've been out here doing this for 24 years. I still have to shake my head about that. I go, what? Last 24 years? Really? What? You're joking. No. It's just day by day. Days go by, weeks go by, months go by, years go by. Next thing you know, 24 years later, and you're still doing this, and you're going, the difference now is that I'm older, I have more wrinkles on my face, I got a bigger belly. A lot of things have changed with me. And that includes, well, if you made it this far, then you clearly saw what you saw, and you saw me. So, I'll tell you, I'm a transgender. A transgender with Klinefelter syndrome. I was born with an extra female chromosome in my body. Just look up 47XXY. It doesn't make me, you know, any different. Well, I guess it does make me a little different. But it doesn't stop me from doing my job. I've been doing this for quite some time, and that's where the thick skin comes along. Now, if you've seen my videos before, I've never mentioned it. No need to. I wouldn't have mentioned it this time, but I did walk out of the truck, walked over and helped the guy, or attempted to, and then I walked back. If you've seen what you've seen, then you don't get put two to two together, then I can't think that you guys are too stupid to not see what you saw. And extra chromosome does do a lot to your body. Changes a lot. I can't move over because there's cars coming. So we're going to have to run this broken line here. This zipper line. That's a solid line onto your right, then the zipper line, and then a solid line again. I'm not going to get into the others. If you want to look it up, just look it up on yourself, for yourself. It's called Client Filter Syndrome, 47XXY. I'm not going to get into it, but I just gave you the information. All you need to do is just look it up, and you'll see. It's something that was born in. I was born this way. It wasn't a choice. It wasn't anything like that. I am who I am. And I'm a truck driver, damn it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit a like and subscribe button, and look at all the other stuff that we have. This channel's full of different and cool things. And look at that motorhome. They are having one of them bad days for them. They're not having a good day, I tell you. But it looks like help is there, and that's what counts, right? Anyways, have yourselves a fantastic day, and get you in the next one. Bye.